Hello, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing a quick review here on EURUSD. Last week, I mentioned that if the price stays in the lower half of this range on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I'll be on the lookout for bullish trading opportunities. However, I mentioned that I will be targeting internal range opposing premium array, as I don't anticipate it breaking above the range's high. As we can see in the last 2 days of the week, the price has gone up with a bullish displacement, forming a bullish 4-hour breaker pattern. Having that in mind, and before moving on to next week's analysis, it's important to note that we have the CPI, Consumer Price Index, release scheduled for Wednesday at 8:30 in the morning New York time. Make sure to write that in your notes while we continue after the disclaimer. Firstly, let's focus on highlighting this breaker, because it's a crucial aspect for next week's analysis. Following the rules outlined by ICT, Inner Circle Trader, regarding breakers, we understand that the price might not necessarily need to drop to the lowest point of the breaker's range to keep rising. Additionally, it's worth noting that the low of Friday aligns with a daily fair value gap. Also, it's worth mentioning that since last week was an inside range week, the price has established a swing high on the weekly timeframe. Applying my premium and discount arrays, here's my plan for the upcoming week and how I'll handle the CPI release. As I mentioned earlier, the bullish 4-hour breaker array plays a crucial role in next week's price action. I mentioned that it doesn't necessarily have to drop lower to continue higher, but it's important to note that it still might. We can't predict with certainty what it will do. Knowing that, here are the probabilities I would like to see. First, the price might not even touch the daily fair value gap and could continue higher right from Monday, possibly reaching the weekly swing high. If this scenario unfolds during Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, I'll start looking for bearish trades. My aim would be to target an inside range discount array as a potential target. If the price reaches the desired premium array before Wednesday's CPI release, then the plan remains unchanged, focusing on trading a Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday high of the week profile. However, if it doesn't reach that point, then I'll wait until Thursday, aiming to trade the consolidation Thursday reversal profile. Second, if the price touches the daily fair value gap but avoids reaching the 4-hour fair value gap, and then exhibits similar characteristics to the previous scenario, then my bias remains the same as the previous scenario. Third, if the price shows unclear or muddy price action at the start of the week and reaches the 4-hour fair value gap discount array during Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, then I'll shift my focus to a bullish scenario. My target would be aiming for the weekly swing high. If the price reaches the desired discount array before Wednesday's CPI release, then the plan remains unchanged, focusing on trading a Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday low of the week profile. However, if it doesn't reach that point, then I'll wait until Thursday, aiming to trade the consolidation Thursday reversal profile. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, happy studying.